6 things that you should never do with your dick, okay? These 6 things you want to avoid. Let's get into this. Number 1, I'm just going to go and hit one out or rub one out. When we are masturbating, we are training our mind at the pace that we want to orgasm, in a way that we want to orgasm. And so if we're running off just to hit one out quickly and then get back to work or get back to whatever to be able to feel like now we can concentrate again, this is how we're training our body to engage in sex. So if we're experiencing difficulties to be able to last longer in sex, something that we need to look at is our masturbation habit. So that's number 1. It's fine to masturbate, but doing this over a longer period of time, spending more time when we're doing it rather than just quickly going to bash one out. Number 2, excessive cycling or sitting on hard surfaces for a long period of time. Why? Because when we do that, we're compressing the blood vessels and the nerve endings, which means that we create poor blood circulation in our pelvic area, which is critical for us when it comes to sex. Making some adjustments, whether it's putting a cushion on the chair that we're sitting on or not spending as much time continuously cycling. That is number 2. Number 3, ignoring symptoms. This is something we absolutely do not want to do. Whether those symptoms are premature ejaculation, whether it's erection problems, performance anxiety problems, STIs, our sexual health. We do not want to be ignoring problems that our dick is presenting to us, because our penis health is basically a representation of our lifestyle health. And so it's really important, if our man downstairs is giving some alert signals in some way, shape or form, that we listen to what is being said and we do something about it rather than ignoring it. This is a good point for me to introduce the performance anxiety quiz. If you have been struggling with sexual performance anxiety, so getting hard, staying hard, or climaxing too soon, or not climaxing at all, I'd like you to take the free performance anxiety quiz. You'll find this in the comments below. This is 10 yes or no questions that you can ask yourself to understand what is going on and get a free plan to be able to get this fixed. Okay, let's move on to number 4. I'm sure you wondered when this one was coming in. The death grip or overuse of porn. These two often go hand in hand together, so I'm covering them in one. If we're squeezing really tight when we're masturbating, we're damaging our nerve endings in our dick. So we want to avoid doing that. And then overuse of porn. We've all watched the videos that say, okay, it's overstimulation of dopamine. It makes it harder to stay hard in real life because the stuff we're watching online is not like real life partnered sex. We should be avoiding and not overusing porn. Number 5, tight underwear. Tighty whities. Okay, why do we want to avoid tight underwear? Because basically it overheats our testicles and it lowers our sperm quality. Okay, this is just outside of our dick, but it's all in the same place. So that's number 5. And finally, number 6, sleeping in positions that restrict our blood flow. Let me give you an example. If we sleep on our stomach at night and imagine our body weight is pushing down into that area, we're restricting the blood flow that can go there. Now, the odd night, if we wake up on our stomach, fine, this is okay. But if that is the position we're falling asleep in every night, especially if we're a bigger guy, this is restricting blood flow to the area. At best case scenario, it risks restricting blood flow there. So the best sleeping positions are either on the back or on our side with a cushion in between our legs to just help reduce the pressure away from that area. So they are the 6 things that we absolutely should never be doing, that we should be avoiding with our penis. If this video has been helpful, then in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a button that says subscribe. Click on that button so you can get more helpful content like this as soon as I share it.